In the rapidly evolving landscape of the digital age, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game changer for various industries. One significant trend is the burgeoning opportunities for individuals to make money online using AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a novice, this ultimate beginner's guide will walk you through the exciting possibilities of leveraging AI to generate income in 2024. Understand the basics of AI. Before delving into the ways to make money online with AI, it's crucial to have a foundational understanding of what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Explore freelance opportunities. AI is powering a growing demand for freelance services. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer opportunities for individuals with AI skills to provide services such as data analysis, machine learning model development, natural language processing, and more. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals looking to harness the power of AI for their projects. Participate in AI competitions. Engaging in AI competitions hosted on platforms like Kaggle not only allows you to enhance your skills but also provides opportunities to win cash prizes and recognition. Many businesses post real-world problems on these platforms, seeking innovative solutions. By participating and presenting your AI models, you may catch the attention of potential clients or employers looking for talented individuals. Offer AI consulting services. As AI continues to penetrate various industries, businesses are seeking guidance on how to implement and leverage AI effectively. If you possess expertise in AI strategy, you can offer consulting services to organizations looking to integrate AI into their operations. This could involve advising on AI adoption, developing implementation plans, and providing ongoing support. Build and monetize AI blogs or YouTube channels. Content creation remains a lucrative avenue for making money online. If you have a knack for explaining complex AI concepts in an accessible way, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or even by offering premium courses on AI. Participate in AI research programs. Research institutions and companies often conduct AI research programs, seeking contributions from the broader community. By participating in these programs, you not only contribute to the advancement of AI but may also receive compensation for your work. Keep an eye on announcements from universities, research labs, and tech companies for opportunities to collaborate. In 2024, the integration of AI into various aspects of our lives opens up unprecedented opportunities for individuals to make money online. Whether you choose to freelance, create AI solutions, participate in competitions, offer consulting services, or become a content creator, the key is to leverage your skills and stay updated on the latest trends in the AI landscape. With dedication and a willingness to learn, you can carve out a successful online career in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.